What's up, y'all? JSB the creator, and I'm back again with a new video today for y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be busting down a little review and also a little story time on this shoe right here. I don't know if you guys recognize this box, but this is a Jordan 6 UNC box, right? So this shoe has a little history behind it, and I'm gonna go into details on that right now, okay? So originally, this shoe dropped on Sneakers app. I got a shock drop on the app, you know what I mean? I'm sitting out playing on my phone, get the notification, the shoe just released, boom, jumped on the site, quickly scan my face, all that, boop, boop, boop. I'm in line, I'm thinking it's gonna be an L as usual, but I got lucky. I hit a W, okay? I'm excited. I'm like, okay, I finally got a W. Even though I ain't gonna lie, I be hitting here and there, you know what I mean, once in a while. But for the most part, you mostly get L's on Sneakers app. But this is a W. It was also a W because it was like coming up on my birthday. So I was like, I love Jordan 6s, all right? Jordan 6s are my favorite Jordan model. So when I seen that I hit it, I was like, oh my God, it was meant to be. I was meant to have these shoes, right? Check out, all that, boop, I'm waiting. Couple weeks pass by, I'm like, yo, why am I not getting an update on these shoes? Where are my shoes at? I'm checking FedEx and like, oh, we're waiting. I'm checking, we're waiting. I'm like, okay, this is stupid. Something's fishy here. So I hit up Nike, I called them like, hey guys, where my sixes at? Where my UNC sixes, man? Where they at? They like, yo, FedEx got your shoes. Call them and see what's going on with them on their end. All we know is that they picked up the shoes. We don't have them on our end. So I'm like, all right, cool. Maybe FedEx is late updating the tracking, whatever. All right, call FedEx. They're like, hey, what's up, man? I'm like, where my sixes? They're like, yo, what sixes? Nike got your shoes. We don't got them.
Oh my God.
I was like, all right, yep, it's gone. Someone took my shoes. It's gone.
And it's gone. Poof.
Gone. No one knows where the shoes are. Nike's like, yo, we gave them to FedEx. FedEx like, yo, we don't have them. We didn't have an update. It's clear that it went from Nike to FedEx, and from whoever touched it in FedEx, took that bad boy out. And you know why? Because Nike refused to stop putting that stupid Nike black tape on all their boxes, letting everyone know, hey, this is a Nike package. Take me. That's what that black tape says. When you see that black tape on a box, and you're an employee for FedEx or whoever, you see that black tape, you're like, oh, that's a lick. I'm getting that. That's money. That's a shoe. That's how I got my shoes stolen. But as you can see, the shoes are here today because I luckily have the greatest friends in the entire planet Earth of the world. They surprised me with this shoe. On my birthday, they all pitched in together, bought this bad boy from Flight Club, and now I'm sitting here with a pair of UNC Jordan 6s. Oh, as you can see, these are gorgeous. I'm the type of person that whenever a shoe drops or a sneaker comes out and I really want it, if I'm unable to get it at retail, I'm unable to get the shoe, period. The shoe is no longer mine. I just don't believe in paying all that resale unless it's like a shoe that I really, 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 really like. I'm more a person that's like, I'm not going through the hassle of going through the extra loops and all that to get shoes anymore. It's not worth it, you know what I mean? These are just sneakers at the end of the day. I love sneakers, but I also like not having a headache. And yeah, but thankfully I have the greatest friends in the world because all Nike did was offer me my money back. And I kind of wish that they had like a system in place where it's like, hey, you want a pair of shoes on the app. Your shoes got stolen by FedEx or something. Give those people like a golden ticket to hit on the next raffle release, at least one free pass to automatically check out with a shoe that they want or something like that. You know what I mean? Just giving me my money back is not gonna take away that sour feeling of, yo, your shoes got stolen. If it wasn't for my friends, I would not have this shoe on me right here. So, I think that's something Nike needs to look into. Maybe you guys need to make a fuss about it, because I am. You know what I mean? It's not like I beef with these billion-dollar companies. You know what I mean? FedEx is my enemy. American Airlines is my enemy. You know what I mean? Nike, you guys aren't my enemy, but you guys got to fix the system. But yeah, Jordan 6s, UNC, they are so clean. Typical Jordan 6 specs, you know what I mean? You got that UNC blue little nylon little tongue piece right here. You got the little nubuck UNC blue on the upper right there. You got hits of 3M in between the overlay, the leather overlay, and the nubuck overlay right in there, right in between. These shoes are very similar to the Carmine 6s. Basically, it's the Carmine 6s, but with hits of that Carolina blue, as well as that little college patch right there that a lot of people don't like. I have a pair of UNC 4s. Let me get them right now. Here's my pair of UNC 4s, which has that little college tag. That's what I call it. Basically, you know, Nike has been dropping, you know, these shoes that look like they've been released for, you know, college players, college PEs. But instead of releasing it with the college logos and everything, they've been putting this little patch right here. They did it on the Oregon 5s and a couple of the college themed looking kicks, you know, the Michigan 5s, all that. But, you know, a lot of people don't like it because it's not the college, you know, release. But that's what makes the college release special. So for us, they've been throwing these little tags on it, but I don't mind the tags, to be honest. You know, I really don't mind them. You know, and at the end of the day, you could remove them. You can go to a customizer, you could be like, yo, take this off, put a little UNC tag on there, change this to a UNC logo and all that, and you'll be good. The blues are very similar. They're not 100% the same, maybe because I've been wearing this pair, I'm not gonna lie, so it's kind of dirty, but the blues are very similar. They're not 100% the same thing, but they're very similar. You know, typical icy blue bottom. I'm really digging this translucent tongue with that Jordan 7 pattern. If you have a pair of Jordan 7s, you know what pattern I'm talking about, that little tongue pattern right there. They also have that little pattern on the insole. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, this is like a navy blue lace lock. Not really black. I'm not sure this is black too. This might be a dark navy. But either way, man, clean pair of 6s. Like I said, I have the best friends in the world. I took the L on these bad boys for real. But yeah, I give these bad boys a 10 out of 10 because I love my Jordan 6s. But yeah, I love my Jordan 6s, as you can see. Love them to death. Love these. This is such a good add to the collection. Probably not gonna wear them as much. I'm not one of the people that don't wear their sneakers, but these have sentimental value. This is a birthday gift from a bunch of great people who looked out for me, man, and I really appreciate y'all. And yeah, really love these shoes. My favorite 6s of the year so far, because I'm pretty sure there's no other release that will come with this shoe getting stolen from me. And yeah, so whoever has my shoes at FedEx, whoever stole them, I hope that your leg falls off. I have a particular set of skills, and if I find you, I will get you, and I will. Well, I can't do nothing to you. I'm not a murderer or anything. I'm not violent. So like, if I find you, I'm just gonna make fun of you. I'm pretty good at that. But other than that, you watch yourself, buddy. You FedEx guy, whoever you are out there. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and yeah, subscribe. Check me out till next time. You know, it's a quick little review. I don't usually review sneakers, but like I said, I'll review something once in a while if it's really important to me. And like I said, these are very important to me. And so, be safe, guys. Enjoy your day, night, or whatever it is, wherever y'all at. And peace! I'm out.